So Mudit, you can make your name proper, boy. I think so. You know the process. So we have to go through chapter number 8, HTML creating web pages. So regarding this, I think so. I sent you that video also, how to make a program. And below you can see here, this is the structure of HTML document. It is the starting tag head. This is the starting tag. Then head. There is no use for head, but it is compulsory in every HTML program. Then title. Any title we can write here. Suppose we write here nature. Nature. Starting tag. Okay. Then the head, then the body, and then body close and HTML close. So you have to keep in mind this format because this can be asked in your examination also. To write about the structure of an HTML document. So this is the structure. This you have to prepare. And I told you to prepare some programs also, and they will get displayed just like this. You can see in the screen. They will appear just like this on your web browser. Did anybody try it? No. So you can see a number of programs are there. I will give you a hint. You sit on your PC and the programs which are mentioned here, you prepare them on Notepad and save your file with .html on the desktop. And when you will double click on your file, that is open your file, it will open on Internet Explorer. And you can see the result just like this. Today only you can try. The result will be displayed. What is displayed on the screen? Are you able to see the book or not? So there are many programs, I think so on the page number 92, then 93. So all these programs are here. And you have to prepare any two programs and display them on your screen, take the snapshots and send them as in the form of PDF. So I can regard them as the assessment. Okay. So first of all, we will go through the reading. If something important is there, then we will find it out and keep in mind. Yeah, okay. We have already learned to create, save and view a new HTML document. View. HTML is the most widely used language for designing web contents for the internet. HTML is a simple and powerful language used for creating web pages. What is the use of HTML? What is the use of HTML? It is used for web pages. Just a second, somebody called me up. Hey, just a second. Actually, somebody called me, and that's why it got stuck. And how are you all? Is everybody fine and good at their homes or not? Oh. So, do you want that the school should get open or not? I think the school should get open, yeah. Because we are missing our that games period very much. That was very much needed. And all the games are just stuck. And we are all trapped in our mobile phones. Okay? So we came to know that HTML is a simple and powerful language and that is used for creating web pages. Okay now? The contents on the internet. These web pages are the contents on internet. It does not require any compiling. The web browser acts as the compiler for HTML documents. Compiler means a program or application or software that is used for converting the language which can be understood by the computer and the server both. And this is what the structure of an HTML document. And this you have to make in your note also. And this may be asked in the examination part of. Yeah, girl. Yeah, you have to make this structure in your peer note. Yeah, sure. How to write HTML codes. Steps to add headers. Headers are just like newspaper, the headlines or headings of a book. Six different headers can be used in a web page, but not more than three at a time. So highlight this line. Six different headers can be used in a web page, but not more than three at a time. We can use only three at one time. Header tag is written in the form of less than hn greater than and then slash hn, where n can be the number from 1 to 6, like h1, h2, h3, h4, and these are enclosed like this. Okay, and for closing these tags we only use slash sign. Slash, this closes the tag. So follow the given steps to add headers in a web page. Type HN after the body tag. For example, we can see in the program, so we will understand much better. Here is the structure provided. Very first, what will come? HTML. This is your starting tag. Then is what? Head. This is the, you can say, captain of the full structure, the head of the full structure. There is no use of head, no functioning, but it remains at the top. And there is no need to close this tag after here only. After this, we can provide here title. Suppose here it is given learning HTML. Learning HTML. So this is the title. The work of title, it will display this content. But what is the work of head? No work. It's just like a lion in the jungle. Head is just like a lion in the jungle. The work is being done by the title tag. And after the closing of head, body, in body you can write my hobby. Suppose if we add, this is H1, we add here H2, my hobby. I like playing. If I ask any question now, then nobody will be able to give the answer. Correct now? If I ask any question, then nobody will be able to give answer, but you are making a lot of fun in the class. Feeling so good, huh? Yeah, it feels so happy talking and all that things doing. What you are doing? Is the voice coming or not? Where sir went, huh? Sir got disappeared. Just like na? Okay. So it's also good in the middle some disturbance come na, so we can get somewhat little fun also in that. Okay. So as I was telling that like H1 we can add H2 heading also. I like playing. Then H2 heading. H means heading. This means heading. Okay. You can give as many headings you want. Suppose we add one more line. H3. I like playing. My favorite hobby is reading. I think so. Anybody there whose favorite hobby is reading? No one. Huh? But it should be favorite. Yeah. Slash S3. So like this type, you can add as many headings you want. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. Okay. And after heading, what you will do? you will close body by using a slash sign and then HTML close. This is the end tag. This is the end tag. And after this, your program will be displayed somewhat like this. And as we provided H2 heading, so below this one line will come. Can you see now properly? Yeah. I like playing. I like playing. When you will open your file in web browser, ये आपकी desktop पे save हो जाएगी. And when you will open it, so like these type of contents will be displayed. Our third line was what? My favorite hobby is reading. My favorite hobby. And one more thing, you can make the program on any topic. Not necessary you write the same thing. Suppose you can write in place of this title, you can write here nature, mobile technology, heading, plants are only autotrophs. Like this on any topic. On Captain Marvels also, like Avengers, you can make the HTML program and display it on the web browser. Then take the snapshot, make PDF and send it to me. Okay now? Okay. So these are the various programs, any two programs you can make. In this full chapter, there is only program making. So any of the two programs you can make and send as in the form of PDF. Okay. Who is this sharpshooter? Hey, sharpshooter, what's your name? Who is this sharpshooter? Who is this sharpshooter in our this class? Does anybody know him? No. Okay, let him. Ah, yeah, okay. He left. As I asked him the question, he left. Okay, whatever. So then we will go on for the exercise work because all these programs you can make from all these programs you can make any two. कोई भी दो program बनाने हैं. Okay ना? Any problem in that? Yeah, in computer only. If you are not having computer, no problem. You write a that program in a note. You write a program in a note, take the snapshot and send it to me. Okay, and display it just like this. It is displayed here. You can draw some images and display this program just like a computer image on a chart. Okay, na? On the same chart, you write the program and make this both images. You can display this because this is the output which we will get on the web browser. So you can do this on chart also. No problem. Chart, either computer. On computer you can display, but on chart you can learn, but you cannot practice or display. But these are the options because at some students' home there may be not computer available. So you can prepare it on chart and send it to me. No problem in that. Okay. What is coming? Sharpshooter. Hey, sharpshooter. Who is here? Gonna go on for asking him. He goes on. So the first question is what? Multiple choice question. Multiple choice question. First question is what? Which one of the following tags is used for adding horizontal lines? Which tag is used for adding? Yeah, HR. Very good. Very good, girl. Very good. Good girl. Which one of the following tags is used for beginning a new line in HTML? Which tag? HN, font or HR? Provide your answer. Hmm. HN, font. HN, font. HN. HN. Yeah. So everyone is going for HN. Yeah. So which one of the following tags? Yes, correct, Prince. Correct, correct. That is the HN tag. Which one of the following tags is used for beginning a new line in HTML? That is HN tag. Which one of the following is used for defining a hyperlink destination inside a document? Which is that? Can anyone tell? Can anyone tell? HREF. Yeah, very good. That is for hyperlink. Fourth one. Which one of the following tags is used to change font size? Font face, font height. Yeah, it's very simple. It's font size. Yeah, correct, girl. It's written here. Font size. Next is which one of the following tags is used to add a numbered list? Which will be option OL, UL. Which one? Tell me. UL or OL? Yeah. Actually, UL stands for unordered list. Okay. And OL stands for ordered list. Now you tell me which should be the right option. Huh? OL, yeah, correct. That will be a ordered list, and it will add a number to that list. Next is what? Answer the following at the last we will do. Okay, now? Answer the following we will do at the last. Fill in the blanks. Dash tag is used for adding horizontal lines. Dash tag is HR tag. Very good. Very good. Second one. Moving or scrolling the text can be placed in a web page by using dash tag. Mark you tag. Correct na? Mark you tag. Yeah, yeah, correct. Mark you tag. Moving or scrolling the text can be placed in a web page by using mark you tag. Third one, dash tag is used for MARQUE. Double E. Yeah. Then third one, dash tag is used for adding paragraph in HTML. Which tag is used? That is P tag. That is for paragraph. Yeah. Only P girl. P tag. Okay. Yeah. The web browser acts as a dash for HTML documents. If anybody knows, then tell me this one. I want to see. Does anyone know the answer for this or not? The web browser acts as a dash for HTML documents. Let's see who can tell the answer for me. Hmm. Last one I tell you. Dash tag is used for creating an ordered list. That is OL. Fourth one you tell. Tell me, fourth one. The web browser acts as a dash for HTML documents. No one. Search in your book, maybe you get. Huh? Compiler. Very good. Very good. You searched. Okay. So next we will go for the question number D. Match column A with column B. Both can be correct in this. You can see here. Yeah, correct. It is written here. Both hyperlink and anchor. Okay. Na? Both are correct. Because you can see only tag A will be used for both hyperlink and anchor. Means href and the anchor both are correct. Both are correct for this. Okay. Corrected now? Yeah. Then we will go for the. Yeah, yeah, both are correct. Then we will go on for match the following columns. OL will go to create an ordered list. Very good. TD, to add data inside the table or to begin a new line. No, 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 no. Not to begin a new line. To add data inside the table. This is to add data inside the table. UL to an ordered list. Yeah, very good. Correct. Then BR means break to begin a new line. Paragraph P. Okay, na? Break to begin a new line. And P for, and yeah, correct. To add paragraphs. 4 1 2 5 3. That's the correct serial. You understand the mean also because I can ask them in the form of fill in the blank. One word, true, false. Correct na? So don't only keep the numbering in mind. Second thing, mark tick for right statements and cross for wrong statements. Six different headers can be used in web page, not more than one at a time. False. Because it's not more than three at a time. If we write three, then it will be true. Okay, na? OL tag is used for creating ordered list in HTML. False. Href attribute is a reference to or an address of a resource on the web. True. Just now we read anchor and hyperlink. Marquee text refers to placing of, moving or scrolling text on the web page. True. True. Okay. Then we will go for question and answers. First question, how many headers can be used in an HTML document at a time? So the answer is what? Yeah, okay, all quiet, I am telling you. That is the answer is three headers. Page number 90. How to write HTML code? First line, yeah. You can write simple answer also, three headers. Or you can write this one also. Six different headers can be used in a web page, but not more than three at a time. Answer first. Okay. The next question is what? What is the use of BR tag? BR tag is used to begin a new line. BR tag. Yes, page number 92. Page number 92. Steps to add a line breaks. BR tag is used for beginning a new line in HTML. Type BR to add line breaks. Answer second. I hope so. Yeah, yeah. Question number third. What do you understand by horizontal rules in HTML? So this is on the page number 93. Page number 93. Yeah. At the topmost steps to draw horizontal lines. You don't have to write this heading. You will write from here. Horizontal rules are simple horizontal lines that are spread across the width of the screen or web page. It is an empty element used for separating one part of the text from another. And this is our answer. Third, till another. Horizontal line is pressed till another. Then question number four. Yeah. Second, yeah, starting from BR. Yeah. From BR till breaks. Fourth one, write down the steps for adding comments in a program. So this answer you will find on the page number 99. Page number 99. At the bottom, you can see steps to add comments. Comments are like short notes. You can add comments that are not visible in the browser. Follow the given steps to write or add comments. First, second, third. Three steps you have to write. And this is our answer. Four. Yeah. And fifth one. What is the question? What do you mean by marquee text? What do you mean by marquee text? It's not marquee. Marquee. Call up points. Yeah, we can get this answer from call up points. But this is not the definition. Let me. But it is not the definition. Now wait a second. Page number 98. We can write the same. Call up points. No problem in that. Call up points. Page number 107. Point number third. Marquee text refers to moving or scrolling of text on a web page. Answer, answer fifth. Correct. Everyone. Answer number four. What was that? Write down the steps for adding comments in a program. That is on the page number 99. Page number 99. And you can see here. Aman Yadav, do not make any disturbance. Yeah. Second line, comments are like short notes. Okay. So everyone got all the answers. And I think so there are no doubts to anybody. If anybody has any doubts regarding anything, then you can ask me. Otherwise, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we will have only revision. I will, what? I will send you multiple questions first. Okay, okay. Just now I tell you. Just now I'm telling you. You see, that is HR. Yeah. HR. Yes, guys. Lesson first only exercise I'm telling you. Lesson first, computing methods. HR is the answer. Yeah. Which one is the HR? But they are saying again. Beginning a new line, huh? You are talking about beginning a new line. So for that, headlines, change color, font color. Uh, whose exercise is not filled of chapter first? Okay. So we will go on for that, filling very faster. All input and output storage devices are known as peripherals. Peripherals. Trackball is an alternative of mouse. Mouse, correct. The full form of OMR is optical mark. Yeah, good. A large number of vertical lines of same height is known as barcode. Very good. Platters are of two types. Hey, so platters are of how many types? Two types. Yeah, okay. Then give one word answer. Give one word answer. So now you can see. You can fill it from here. Is microphone an input device or an output device? Input device. Yeah. Which printer makes more noise in a line printer or a laser printer? Which is that? Line printer. Yeah, correct. Which has more storage capacity, a CD or a DVD? DVD. Yeah. Of hard disk and floppy disk, which is portable? Floppy disk. Yeah, correct. Correct. Which device is generally used to back up large volumes of data? Magnetic. Can you see the magnetic tape written here? थोड़ा सा clear नहीं. Filled. Okay, good. Very good. Then fill in the blanks. Peripheral devices are the device. हाँ, yeah, just write it. Yeah, completed, not over. Completed. Peripheral devices are the device which are connected to the motherboard. The keyboard and mouse are the main dash devices. Yeah, correct. Dash is used to check answer sheets. Very good, very good. OMR, OMR, OMR. Optical mark reader or OMR. Either you write the full form or simple in abbreviation form. Both are correct. Okay. Shall we go on for the fourth? Shall we go on for the fourth?